Hi and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, I wanted to give you a fun peek at my Halloween home decor. I'm so excited to share this with you, so let's get in it. Now, for every year, I do my harvest or fall decor in the beginning of September. And then during the 1st of October, I will pull some of the fall decor down, and then I add in just, specific areas my Halloween decor. So I always focus on my fireplace, my front entry, and a little bit in the kitchen area. This year, the candy corn theme is all new. My whole, pretty much my whole fireplace is new idea this year and a whole new decor system. So I am super excited. I've linked everything that I could below, but it is just super, super fun. And we are all so excited. The kids absolutely love it. prefer my Halloween decorations just to be fun and whimsical and just cute, not the total scary. So my little witches area, which I thought was so cute with having the witch that hit the wall and just all the little, accents and stuff. It's not scary witch stuff. It's just kind of whimsical and fun. Well, thank you so much for coming and watching this video and seeing what I've done in my home for Halloween. I would love to have you tag me on ideas that you guys have done in your homes, and I hope I gave you a little inspiration and motivation to get out there and just decorate and just have a fun with it and just make it for the kids or just make it fun for you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And if you're so inclined, I'd love for you to join our family here and hit the subscribe button, the notification, and hit all. That way you are notified with all of my videos coming up. And down below there is always my blog and website that I just loved sharing, ideas and information with you guys. So that is down below. I'd love you to subscribe and get your free printables. And follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you follow me on the behind the scenes over there. I will talk to you later, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.